Hey guys, Ashley here, back with another tool review. Here to show you this Dewalt Atomic one-handed reciprocating saw. Here I'm having some help from my dad. He's just putting in the blade here. And as you can see with Dewalt's quick change accessory system, it's fairly easy. So my dad is currently working on a construction project, so he decided to test out the Dewalt reciprocating saw first on some stair raisers that he was doing. As you can see, the tool easily cut through the plywood, so definitely a great tool to have around on the construction site.
Wow, perfect! What an awesome machine!
And here's just another quick view of the saw just cutting through the plywood. As you can see, it really cut well. Another thing to note is that this saw is a one-handed saw, so as you can see, it works really well with one hand. As you can see, my dad is just holding down the plywood and using that tool with his one hand to cut these notches out. And it really cut it out pretty easily. I think he was happy with it.
Just a second.
After cutting out the plywood, we decided to put the saw to the test, cutting some metal nails. And with the blade it provided, they cut through these nails really easily. So a great tool to have around on those construction jobs when you have those nails you need to cut out. And here my dad is just cutting out some notches on some wood for his construction site. As you can see, it's easily cutting through this 2x lumber. It has proved to be a great addition to the shop.
Dewalt, the real deal. Dewalt battery handheld saw. Awesome, baby.
And that's a wrap for a quick look at this Dewalt reciprocating saw. Later, guys.